So companies which offer surveys have been around for quite some time now, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on top 4 websites that I've found which pays legit money for taking surveys, either in as gift cards or directly to your PayPal account. So let's get into today's video. But before we do that, I would really appreciate it if you go down below and hit the subscribe button, turn notifications, like the video, which helps our channel to grow. Also, check out the Telegram group if you got any questions or need help with anything. I'll help you one-on-one. You just post your questions there or you contact me directly. I'm always happy to help out. So anyways, in today's video, as I said, it's going to be about 4 survey websites that I found which actually pay out. So basically, surveys are usually just questions that may take you anywhere from 2 minutes to 10 minutes. Sometimes you can go up to 30 minutes, but then that means more money for you. So basically in today's video is going to be about surveys that can take you anywhere from 2 minutes to 10 minutes and make a couple dollars every single day. So stay tuned to the video. This is going to be the top 4 websites that I found, and the last one is going to be about it's actually worldwide. So I'm not sure about the first 3. You just have to try them yourself and see if they work in your country. But I'm pretty sure for the last one, I've verified it. It works worldwide from anywhere, wherever you are. So anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the end. So getting into number 1. So at number 1, we have this website right here, which is Real Surveys that pays. So this website is legit. It's been around for some time right now. So you basically get paid to do some surveys. You basically, once you log in, once you create your account, clicking this type button right now, you have a dashboard like this, something like this that looks like this. So basically, that's where you start taking your surveys, and as you can see, the payments are quite good. We have 33 minutes there for $1.92. We got 10 minutes for $1.60. We got 25 minutes for one. Okay, as you can see, it's just quick money, quick bucks that you can make on the go. So cashing out, as I said, most of these they do gift cards like Amazon. Like, yeah, I can see I have Amazon, I've got iTunes right there, as well as PayPal. I know most people really like cashing out using PayPal because it's easier to transfer from PayPal to your bank account, which is just automated online, which you can do very quick and easy. And I think this also has a directly to your bank account with this card that I'm seeing right here. Anyway, so this one is actually a good one because when you sign up this website, you get $5. So when you sign up right now, you're going to get free $5. And then to cash out, you're going to need $10. As you can see, they say $5 sign up bonus right now. So when you sign up, you get your $5 in your account. It's credited to you directly right now. As well as, okay, so when you take surveys, you're going to need an extra $5 to be able to cash out. So minimum cash out on this website is going to be $10. So once you log in, as you saw, they get some quick surveys. So you might need to take like 2 hours or so to make another $5 so that you are able to cash out directly to your account. As you can see, we've got 10 minutes for $1.60, 25 minutes for $1.70. So it just ranges. I would say about an hour to 2 hours to get that extra $5. So how many hours you want to spend on this, or how many minutes you want to spend on this, it just depends on your time schedule and so forth. So anyways, that's number 1, Real Surveys that pays. The link is going to be down below. You get your $5 sign up bonus, cash out at $10, which is really good. So moving to the second one, this one has been around for some time as well. This one is actually well known worldwide, Survey Junkie. So basically, this website is like a big influencer type of site, okay? So they promote different products, like they send you surveys to do on different products that companies. So basically, surveys are like a way for companies to do research on their products and see their audience, what they are into, and so that they can continue to provide great value, great products for their audience. So basically, with this one, you take surveys as well. You earn rewards for completing surveys and earn virtual points, which you convert to your money. So you basically, and then those virtual points, you redeem them for PayPal or gift cards, electronic gift cards. As I say, like again, Amazon and so forth. All those kind of Google Play Store as well. Yeah, so you got your gift card, you got Amazon gift card, you got PayPal cash out. So this is another great one. It's legit. It has been around for some time. So yeah, you should try this one. The link is going to be down below as well. Second link is going to take you to Survey Junkie. And then we're going to move out to the third one, which is This one is new. I've seen it for the couple, I think about 2 months now that I've been seeing it around. So this is mypoints.com. So you basically, this one is quite good because per one survey you're earning $1. So just 5 surveys, that's $5 for you right there. So you basically get free gift cards, you get for answering surveys and so much, and all those kind of things that you do. As you can see, they work with big companies like Yahoo. Everybody knows Yahoo. The New York Times, you know, so this is like a company that works with those big companies out there. So you can be sure that you get paid. So how it works right there is, as they explain, you receive your surveys, you take your surveys, you earn points, you redeem them for gift cards or your money, or for pay for money, which is my favorite. Basically with this one, this is where the video spot I was talking about. So with this is the third link in the description down below. You basically get paid to view ads as well. So you can earn up to 500 points per day watching fun videos. You also get money back when you do your shopping. For shopping at top retailers, as you saw, they have as you saw the companies that they work with, Yahoo, ABC, you see all these big companies. So some of these companies that some of you are using daily, you can just get your money back. As you can see, they even have Walmart right here, which is a big company out there in the US, I believe, as well as Amazon, which is worldwide. So you can buy anything from Amazon and get your money and get some money back, 25 points for every shopping that you do. Now you can also play games and earn 10 points per dollar. Don't really know what they mean by 10 points per dollar, but anyways, so you can also earn from playing games right here. There's emails. This is actually fun. You get paid to read emails and visit partners and earn 5 points. Okay, so basically for viewing ads as well. I know I've shared a couple Telegram bots that actually do similar things where you view websites and then you get paid. So this website has got 4 ways of earning money on this website, and it just makes it easier for you to earn that minimum and cash out as soon as possible. So you got videos, you got shopping, you got games, and then email. So right here, as you can see, they started back in 1996, which is a great thing. Know that they mean business. Everything is legit and so forth. So again, the gift cards, payout, PayPal, cash. Yeah, this is another one, great one. So this is gonna be the third link in the description down below, and then we're gonna move on to the last one. Now the last one is interesting because, as I said, this is worldwide. Anybody can join this one. So basically, this website, they don't work directly with end users. So that means you and I, people want to join, they don't really work with you like that. So you just put your email right here and then you submit it, and then that's where the registry process begins. And then you see when you receive the email, then you complete your process. So Zen is one of those highest reputations for being the best paying survey website out there worldwide. So with thousands of good quality surveys for anybody to complete. So plenty of surveys to do to complete. So there's no like minimum or maximum cap every single day. So it's all up to you how many minutes you want to spend on it, as well as just like how much time you have per day to spend checking some surveys. So so these are the 4 that I wanted to share with you today in this video. The fifth one, the extra one that I've been releasing videos for the past few days is hashing airspace. So hashing airspace is the one that I'm still going big on, because I can see the potential on hashing airspace is much more, because it's all about cryptocurrency, and when there's cryptocurrency involved, you know there's millions to be made. So even if you don't make millions, I mean, just just that $100, that $200 extra in your pocket is just always appreciated. So if you're not familiar with hashing airspace, just check out on this channel. We have a playlist on hashing airspace, but just go through it and get started today, because it's basically just viewing websites every single day. You earn a semi token, which is going to go up in value. Yesterday we just received, if you're already on hashing airspace, I'm pretty sure most of you received the email yesterday concerning about the long-term goals and so forth, what they have. So hashing airspace, a good start for anybody who is interested in earning some cryptocurrency, which can be converted into US dollars. or if you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all those kind of local currencies and cryptocurrencies out there. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you taking time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn notifications, like the video, leave a comment down below. Also join the Telegram channel where I can help you one-on-one if you got any help. If you need any help, I'll be more than happy to help you out. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.